I personally hate Juliet balconies, particularly upstairs. The reality of how often you're actually going to open those inward opening doors and have enough furniture moved away from those doors to allow it, I don't think it's going to be very often. Plus they're more difficult to dress in terms of curtains and blinds. So if you want complete blackout and you don't want curtains, the blinds are going to be more tricky to do that because they've got to get up and away from those inward opening doors. So if you are going to have them rather than a beautiful picture window, which is my personal preference, then please talk to us first and we can plan all of that in with you. We give a 5-year workmanship guarantee with every job that we do. That means that we are guaranteeing that all the work that we do in your home is going to be good for at least 5 years. Our products are backed by manufacturers' guarantees and we support those, and they range from 1 to 5 years. In fact, awnings, the arms come up for 10 years. That means that if anything is faulty in that product during that time, we will come out and we will make it right for you. Is a deposit required? Yes, we take 50% when you place the order, and then we ask for the balance before installation. This is pretty normal. Yeah? Yes, a lot of our customers use their credit cards to manage their payments, but we also offer a 12-month interest-free solution through a broker.